The trip to Montreal was a great experience for me. It was very interesting having the opportunity to meet people from different companies working in multicultural environments. I love the visit to Solotech, to UTC, and to Kunenagel especially because the people that gave the lectures there explain a lot how the company has different ethic codes and different politics, especially designed to making a respect environment and to make sure that all the workmates see diversity as an opportunity to grow. I love the trip. I think it's very important for companies or for professionals to have these kind of opportunities to know what companies in different places of the world are doing, so you can always make your job better and grow as a professional. Thank you, Dr. Romero and Professor Juan Manuel, for this opportunity and also for sharing a lot of important and very interesting information with us. Thanks a lot.
I decided to take this course because, as a lawyer, negotiating in a multicultural environment is part of my day to day work. The trip to Montreal was very interesting. I discovered that good communication goes beyond the language. Good communication in a multicultural environment has more to do with the attitude of each individual and the ability to accept, respect, and adapt to the different cultures. Solotech Company was the one that impressed me more because I love everything that has to do with audio and video. I was also impressed to learn how a very Canadian company like Solotech can do successful business in environments diverse as different as Mongolia. Being able to do business in countries as different as Mongolia, Cuba, or Venezuela demonstrates the adaptation ability in different business cultures that have the leaders of Solotech. We analyzed Kuehne and Nagel. This company is an example of everything learned during the course. With office in more than 100 countries and more than 80,000 employees around the world, this company knows very well strategy and negotiation in a multicultural environment. My only advice is never stop innovating. Being the leading company was a complex task, but staying as a leader needs a daily work.
When I received the email for registration of the course, I did not hesitate to take it because as a civil engineer, one of the problems that have come to us in the last 5 years is the cross-cultural. This is because of the high affluence of many foreign constructions companies that remain in Mexico since the crisis in Europe in 2007. One of the best experiences that really impressed to me is how Kuehne Nagel can control their whole value chain in spite of the barriers like language, customs, and culture, and how they can achieve their objectives and the expectation of the clients using using the information technologies. I really appreciate and I really thank to the Professor Juan Manuel and Carlos Romero and also to all the staff from McGill University to be present in every detail and to make this a great experience.
The trip was awesome because I planned it since the beginning of the announcement of the trip because our company is having multicultural environments nowadays since it acquires some facilities in Brazil and we start to manage them in the next months.
One of the reasons was I decided to study this course is because in my job we have to attend potential investors from different countries with intentions to carry out an installation in Mexico. This made me think that it is important to have the theoretical foundations necessary to carry out a successful negotiation. The course exceeded my expectations because we also had the opportunity to know and get involved in a complete a multicultural environment and how to face the situation in our company. The trip to Montreal was very enriching because it is characterized as a place where multiculturalism is lived day by day and has made the whole community develop the capacity and skills to integrate the population of diverse cultures into Canadian society, business, and government. The company that impressed me the most was UTC Aerospace Systems because I really like everything related to the automotive and aerospace industry. The strategy they have implemented has allowed them to conclude negotiations and reach agreements that lead to sales growth in the company and to meet all the goals established in the production schedules. I also learned that the company Kuehne+Nagel is the company that has most development strategies for negotiation in a multicultural environment due to the way it is integrated not only in the Montreal office but in the rest of the world. To the exterior, KN is conscious that their clients are diverse, so their way to negotiate also tends to be different with respect to each client. For this, the negotiators must have in consideration the influence of the culture and carry out before each negotiation the cultural audit so that it is possible to reach agreements that benefit all parties.